Ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee. Oh shit, yeah, here we go, y'all. Phrumph Tunes Cartoons sent us a cartoon. 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 Sent us a cartoon.
Tell me you love my asexual body!
Are you asexual?
I think, I don't know if I'm asexual. I think I'm probably not. I think I might be demisexual.
I'm all part sexual. I gave up on what sexual I am.
Like parts? I don't even think it's sexual from. I think he just likes farts on a human level. Like a lot of people connect with people based on ideas or principles or creed or culture. Phrumph connects with somebody on the amount of air that comes out of their bubble. Yeah, that's a Phrumph. Nasty.
You get this as a profession?
He's an amateur fart sniffer.
Oh my god.
The money's not coming in like it used to, so we gotta go amateur.
Phrumph Tunes Cartoons sent us a cartoon.
This cartoon's
Phrumph Tunes Cartoons sent us a cartoon.
Well then, this is another episode of Phrumph News. Let's get right into the news. On further interviews, we got to interview Billy, how he felt about being in Phrumph Tunes, and that he had to stay in costume for 24 hours. Let's see what his thoughts are on this, shall we? Let's get right into the news. So, Billy, how'd you feel about working with your female actress?
What the weird bit? Get off it! Weird fucking face looking at me, oh my god. She had the weirdest, like, Honey Boo Boo's mom face looking at me. Her fucking teeth were flared out, her eyes were all buggy, her chin was doubled up. And it wasn't even about the way she looked, it was the way she was looking. Her face went like, and I'm like, stop! That tilted me. That shook me. Her face shook the fuck out of me, dude. That face shook me more than that guy trying to fight me. I got a little bruises. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was the quietest part I've ever done. I thought it was a shirt, it was so quiet. So fucked up. Thank you for watching.